classical cryptography, monoalphabetic and polyalphabetic substitution. Vigenère Cipher. Strengths and weaknesses. Let us consider the strengths and weaknesses of the Vigenère cipher. The Vigenère cipher has the strength that the frequency analysis can no longer be applied. The reason is that we encrypt and decrypt letters as several different letters. Hence, looking for a frequent letter does not result in finding a frequent letter in the plaintext language. The main weakness of this cipher is the repeated key, and is the starting point for Casiski's test. This attack was developed in 1863 and cryptanalysts can use it to determine the length of the key by looking for periodic repetitions in the ciphertext. With the length of the key known, the ciphertext can be divided into blocks of the key length, and each of these blocks can be attacked as a monoalphabetic cipher would be attacked. Due to this test, the Vigenère cipher is no longer secure. If you want to learn more about the cryptography and other interesting topics, go to embeddedacademy.com.